Well, boys and girls, Sunday morning, got the worst news. Good morning from Vanuatu. It's so amazing here. We've had so much fun. We're just come to church. Today is a sad day. This is our last Sunday here, and we're moving on from here and going to Utah. A guy is purchasing the boat. We are so sad. I am so sad, I should say. Can't speak for everybody, but super sad. We're gonna be heading home. It'll be like 30 days before it's all closed, so I'll be coming back for the survey and stuff. But yeah, we really don't know everything what lies in store for us at this time, and you know, I know God's in the details, and it'll be interesting to see how life unfolds, but we're excited. It'll be interesting and exciting and everything else. So, but we're gonna have a great week here. We fly out on Friday of this week, so we'll try and do a bit of exploring, and we've loved being here. This Port Vila, this island is just incredible. We've had so much fun, met so many great people. One nice thing about documenting everything, we pretty much document everything, unless we think we're gonna die. But everything's documented pretty good, and so it's kind of nice. So anyway, we went to a really cool fire show last night. That was lots of fun. And yesterday during the day, Owen got a haircut.
Yep, the guy didn't know what he was doing. I told him what to do. I told him to clean up the sides and clean up the top. That's it. The guy might have been drunk, I don't know.
Show us the partying back, bud.
Oh, it's so bad. He's so ticked off.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruby. Happy birthday to you. Oh, look, let me see. Oh, that's beautiful.
Happy birthday to you, Ruby. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you, Ruby. Happy long life to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
All right, we've come to do something stupid. They have a huge swing here that I'm not so sure about myself, but it took me some convincing to get the kids to do, so it kind of roped me into it. So anyway, should be lots of fun. You excited, Mama?
I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.
So Port Vila is back over here.
Kind of fun. It started to rain, but we're pretty much covered by all this leaves and stuff.
Look at that. Woo-hoo! Wow,
keep them nice and high, all right? Don't drop them, okay? Are you ready?
Go, Ruby! Oh my gosh! That's so scary!
Good work.
This is scary and fun. Some of us are going off that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, but.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. That's so scary.
Those are real tiles in, wasn't it?
You got this! See ya. Oh my gosh! Go Emerson! I knew he wouldn't make a sound.
Mom and Ruby are going together. Should be fun.
Oh, this is. Oh! Did you see that? This is scary.
Ruby, you can do it. There you go. Only walk out to the edge.
Okay.
Press play on your GoPro.
We're gonna count it down. Are you guys gonna count it down?
Yeah, I'm gonna count that for you.
Okay, walk out to the edge. You got it?
A little bit more. Okay. Stand straight, Ruby. There you go. Much better. Okay. On 3, 2, 1. Up. 1. Up.
Are you okay? That was crazy.
Oh baby. Jello. Wow, baby.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, that was good. Look at this. So these are the roosters. Hey guys,
They really like it.
do you like a GoPro? Who likes a GoPro?
They can stick their head out way far.
We come to a waterfall.
All the way through, across the bridge from there.
Okay.
That's the second bridge. That's where the second entrance to the waterfall is, and there's a tour guide who's gonna take you.
Hello, hello, hello. So funny. You pay to get in, and then they walk you up, and then you have to pay again to someone else because you have to pay to cross one person's property and then pay to whoever's property it is that is up to the waterfall. I guess it's like a 20-minute walk. This is our friend Jess. She's on a boat right behind us in the mooring field. It was fun to have her with us.
We just found a little cave. This is our hideout. It's a little cave.
All right, today, so there's this couple, the Roses, Elder and Sister Rose, are from Utah that have been on their mission here in Vanuatu doing, it's a humanitarian mission, and they've been mainly helping with water projects, getting water to these different villages and redoing wells and different things, but they are amazing. But they've been here for 18 months, I believe, and they're leaving this weekend. They actually might be on our same flight. So the congregation church is putting on a party for them tonight, and we are going to get a pig and gonna help them get it all prepared, and yeah, should be exciting.
I'm excited. Might get to slaughter a pig.
Owen's gonna slaughter it, so it's gonna be. You excited, Emmer?
Yep.
The pig.
Wow.
What's up, dude?
I have no
What,
idea
what do you have, Owen? Make sure you get it
I
good.
know, I don't want it to get away.
Well, Right.
If it gets away, that's gonna be a long day.
I don't like that part. Poor little guy. I'll share a few thoughts. It's crazy. Like, and this is about an $800 pig. And anyways, a few things. This couple, these are the things I rarely share, but this couple has done so much good for this area, and I knew they were having a little party, so I offered to get a pig. But it's crazy how, you know, a lot of the people here make about $3 an hour, work and work and work and work. And so for this family, and not only this family, but I'm sure the money goes to a lot of these people right here, but it's so special to be able to help and be a part of it. And because anyway, pretty cool. Check out how cool this is. All the TVs. So we just came over to get a pan. This view is insane. So this is Aircourt Island. Wow. So Port Vila.
Yeah, that's
On the other side.
yeah, on the other side. In
Okay.
front.
So right over here is where we went surfing. What do you have? Say hello. Yeah. Brother James.
Yeah, that's a papaya, huh?
Brother James.
Just got some papaya, huh? This is a local style, huh?
Local. So they put it in cold water and now boiling water. Grab the blade. All right, we are off. We're going to the party. It's so funny. They've been saying it starts at 5, and then and then I said, what time is the pig at? Because we need to go pick up the pig and drive it over to the church. And so I asked, what time should I pick up the pig? And they said 6 o'clock.
I'm gonna take a walk.
Father, sorry. Love proclaim. I'm trying to think what time we started, like 11 o'clock, and it's 6 o'clock, 6:40, and then we just left to come grab the pig, and we'll probably be 20 minutes here before we leave. I love this island time stuff. It teaches me a lot to chill out, slow down.
Gonna find somewhere to slow it down. By a little
See ya. Bye.
gonna take my time, 'cause it's
Okay, today is our last full day on the boat, and we're making a lot of progress. We are charging things everywhere and basically just trying to pack all of our bags before, yeah, we have to go. Our flight leaves tomorrow at 2 o'clock, I think, and I think we'll probably be at the airport at like 11:30, and it's like a 30-minute drive. So we'll probably leave tomorrow about 11 o'clock. And yesterday we had a huge, it took forever, but so one of our flights from Fiji to California got canceled, and so they put us on a new flight, and so that took a long time yesterday. And so now instead of like 5 hours, we only have like 3 hours layover on Fiji, which is good, I guess. That means we get to Hurricane. Yeah. We have these little pedal boats. That's what I'm on right now. They're putting up the sail right now. I made a list, and every couple things that I do, I can go on a ride. We haven't gone out for a while, but they're little. You can turn with this. We put another seat on it, and there's a little seat right here.
I guess I thought you'd live forever. I always thought we'd be together. A lifetime of moments boiled down to a phrase.
Well, that was a whirlwind of a week. Hardly any filming, cleaned up the boat, got truckloads of stuff off of here. It's crazy. It's cool that we could donate so much to so many awesome people here. But I'll be back, but the family, we're leaving. So, here's a last look at sweet Leah. Right?
Yeah, kind of sad.
Wow, it's crazy. There's so much to do. Let's go. Say goodbye to Leah.
Bye, Leah.
Hope everybody's happy with the decision.
Waited for this day for so long.
Super sad, actually.
Who's waiting for this? You and you. Me? Hey.
It's sad.
Daddy made us.
It's happy, but it's not.
Made us.
It's not happy, but it's not sad.
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 There's my sweet Leah. Bye-bye! Looky there. Not sure how many bags we have. That's everything.
This is all of our
Done well.
tea-wall bags plus backpacks. 10 checked bags plus backpacks.